I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and safety. A T5/T6 driver, plastic pry pick, 200-300 degrees C soldering iron, and magnifier. Why? You need precise control to avoid damaging tiny clips and flex cables. Once ready, remove rubber tips and use the pry tool at the seam, apply even pressure and work around the earbud housing. Make sure to collect screws immediately. Small parts are easy to lose. This initial access step gives you visibility to the PCB and battery, so you can proceed safely. You now diagnose the issue. Visually inspect the PCB for burnt components, lifted pads, or corrosion, and measure battery voltage below 3.6V suggests replacement. Why test first? It avoids needless part swaps. If a connector or joint is bad, apply flux, heat gently with the soldering iron, and desolder the damaged part. Once removed, place the new component and solder with minimal heat to prevent pad lift. Make sure to recheck continuity and that flex cables seat properly before reassembly. You finish by carefully reassembling. Reseat flex cables and armatures, then replace screws in their original holes to maintain alignment. Why this order? Proper seating prevents shorting and ensures mechanical fit. Once closed, charge and power on. Perform the pairing and reset sequence to confirm Bluetooth, audio, and mic operation. If something fails, don't panic. Open it again and re-examine solder joints, battery connector, and the waterproof membrane. A key troubleshooting tip: cold solder joints mimic failed components, so reflow suspect joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.